Hey there, this is Glue Surgery with Amanda Kulaba from Party in the Art Room, and this is how you can teach your students to make a glue bottle work. The first step is to open its mouth. The second step is to pick the boogers out of its nose, and that's the part that kids think is so funny and that helps them remember how to do this. Then, you need to check to see if it's breathing. Finally, pat it on its back. And voila! I teach these 4 steps to my students every year, and they think that they are glue surgeons, and they think it's funny, and they always remember it. I also make sure to tell them that if they ever stick anything down in the top of the glue bottle, it will never work again, and no amount of surgery can fix it. I also have a set of posters with the steps drawn on it that I hang up every year as a visual reminder. And these posters can be found in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. The name of the store is Party in the Art Room. The product is called Glue Surgery. I know you're an art teacher and you can make super cute posters, but if you don't have time, maybe this resource is something you could look into.